How's it going? Come on in. This is our room. We have an adjoining rooms here. This is a standard one bedroom king here, and we're gonna give you guys a little tour. So first thing I'm gonna do is show you the closet. Some mirrors here, and there's robes. They're actually in the bathroom. So here's your safe, all your precious items. We have some slippers here. I don't think these are gonna fit. These are probably like a size 7 or 8 or something. Not gonna work, but the slippers look very comfortable. An ironing board, an iron, and let's take you to the bathroom. So, nice sized bathroom, sink. This mirror is actually pretty nice. It has this light in it, and I think it's an anti-fog because once I get out of the shower, it's not fogged up, so it's really nice. Shower, separate water closet. And let's take you out here. And it's really good that the the resort provides you with lots of water. So they give you tons of water. There's an ice machine by the elevator if you need ice. And as far as COVID, they actually give 2 masks, which is obviously very important, and some alcohol wipes. And this is actually cool. We have a few of these. Hand sanitizer. You can clip it onto anything you need. This carabiner works really well. So that's awesome. Coffee machine. And what we came here a couple years ago, actually 2017, and they had this thing that was really cool, and they don't do it anymore, which is completely fine. I'll explain. So this thing right here used to be filled with alcohol. So 4 full bottles, like rum, tequila, whiskey, and like Jack Daniels, and you just poured your cup. You put your cup under here, and tons of alcohol comes out. So they no longer do that anymore, and I don't know if it's just because of COVID, but it's a bit much. Like you don't need that much alcohol, you know. Like it's all inclusive. So, and there's a fridge here, and we have obviously we're in Jamaica, so we have Red Stripe. Coke, Sprite, and some juices, ginger ale, some Heinekens. And when you come in, the fridge is empty, so you have to ask them to fill it up for you. And one thing that I didn't know, but when you ask for them to fill it up, you have to be in the room for them to fill it up, I guess because of COVID safety. So make sure you're in the room, and then they'll bring all the stuff, and then you sort of pack it in yourself. And it's unlimited. They can fill it up as many times as you want, which is so cool. Got a TV, our junk right here. And when you check in, they give you a bottle of wine. So this is Robert Mondavi. And it's a pretty good bottle. So the best thing about this room is the view. So the view is pretty nice. So that's the beach right here. So this is towards the end of the beach. It kind of wraps around here and it goes all the way down. And if you take a look, this guy or girl is doing, I'm not sure what that's called. If you can put on the description what's the name of that. I think it's like waveboarding, or I'm not sure what it's called. But looks like this person's doing really well. Oh, nice. And the water is beautiful. There's a pool here. And there's about 4 other pools on the other side. All right, and this comes with a king size bed, and it's pretty comfortable, really soft bed, lots of pillows. There's not enough outlets in this room, so this side doesn't have any outlets. Just this alarm clock has 1 USB port, and on this side where the phone is, there's 1 port here, and that's it. Towards the bed, which obviously we need way more than that. And there's a couple on the sides, you know, there's one over here, which is nice, but you know, nowadays everyone has at least three kind of things they need to be charged, and there's something over here as well. So let's take you to the other side. So this is the adjoining room where the girls have their own space, which is nice. So this is the second room. It's the front door, closet. The only difference is they have these little baby robes, and our girls are way too big for this. So Sean and Ella can, this would be for a 2-year-old. Yeah, like a toddler. I mean, they're nice to look at, and these little baby slippers. Our kids have big feet because of me, so sorry. And safe, ironing board, all the good stuff you need. Bathroom is similar. Actually, it's identical. Same setup. Water closet, lots of towels, and so the difference is there's 2 full beds, and the girls love it. And Baby Yoda's hanging out with us on this trip, and Stitch is usually traveling all over the world with us. And same deal. When they filled up the mini fridge, no red stripes for the girls, so just juices and soda, and that's it. Oh, and it actually has a DVD player. Oh, this is an Xbox. Yeah, if you guys are into Xbox, I think they might have games that you can borrow and you can play Xbox. And same thing here, sanitizing, wipes, masks, crucial stuff. The difference with the outlets here is that they're double beds, so the 2 outlets are here, so the girls can charge their devices, which they love. And they have the same beautiful view as we do right out here. So if you want to see the full vlog of our stay here in Moon Palace, just click below and you can see the full vlog. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.